Hi guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get ready. I have a bridal shower to go to today. It's not till like 1 o'clock, but I figured I might as well try and get it done before my daughter wakes up, and I just wear this makeup all day. It may not look great by the time I have to go because I have kids that like to touch my face, but at least it will have looked good at some point today. Anyone else feel like a cold beauty sponge just feels so nice on your skin? We're gonna use the Jaclyn Hill, of course. Like, is there really any other palette? Like, no. We're just kind of putting these colors in the crease and like blowing them out just a little bit. Place it in there. In the outer corner up into the crease just a little bit. Because we've already smoked out this, blended it in, looks real nice, but now we want the crease to have a little bit more dimension, so I'm going to do that. So I can say with complete confidence that none of my friends actually watch my channel, so I pretty much say what I want and no one's going to see it, but I've been friends with this girl for so long, and I'm so happy for her, but I'm not as close to her as I used to be, and I've kind of always been her backseat friend. Like, ever really had money, so like I haven't been able to give her everything that she ever wanted as a friend, but you know, if like I can give her the shirt off my back, I will. She's always been that friend that like I've taken to Illinois with me because my family is from Illinois, specifically like Elgin, close to Chicago. And my favorite band all my life has been AC/DC, like literally my whole life, to the point where she celebrated my 16th birthday that was AC/DC themed. And a couple of years ago she called me up, told me she was going to an AC/DC concert in Chicago close to Elgin, and asked to borrow an AC/DC t-shirt. Never once asked me if I wanted to go or if I even knew about it. Like, I love her and all, but like, I'm always that person to people. Like the person you forget about unless you need something. You know, if you're ever feeling down, just remember that. Like, I have a friend that I've literally taken to Chicago with me, where I grew up. Celebrated a AC/DC themed birthday. And she called me up to borrow an AC/DC t-shirt for a concert in Chicago. If you're ever feeling unloved, or, you know, just remember that. We're going to cut it almost completely, so just, you know, if you do end up cutting it completely, that's okay. We can blend it back in. That is okay. Am I feeling a little saucy today? Yes. Will I hold my tongue? Yes. Just having feelings today. We're taking Pool Party, by the way. It's a very, very pretty blue in the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm taking this about halfway into our crease. We're gonna layer it, so don't be worried if it looks harsh. We're gonna pack this on, and then we're gonna pack another color on, and then we're gonna pack this on, and then we're gonna pack another color on, and just continue to layer them until they look blended. We might even take some of Twerk. Right over that, like between the purple and the blue, or yeah, right in between the purple and the blue, right in between Pool Party and Royalty. Yeah, I've been friends with most of my friends since like middle school, and I can say with pretty fair confidence that none of them watch my videos, so I've really kind of been that background friend that like is just always there. I'm Karen. Nobody likes me. I'm just here. Honestly. Everybody learns their place eventually. That's okay. I have 2 beautiful children and a wonderful husband. And he always puts me first, so if you're new to this channel, none of my foundations match, so you're just gonna have to get over it. Please like and subscribe for more super awkward content, because it'll be coming at you every single day. And if you're that friend that pushes your other friend to the side, maybe give your friend a shout out and be like, hey, thank you for always being my backseat friend, my backup in case all my other friends are busy. Sometimes that's nice to hear. I'm just taking a little bit of chip on this little blending brush. It's the one I used earlier, so it's probably got a little bit of Jax on it too, so. Looking brows today, so we're just gonna go in with Trusty. I'm probably gonna have to buy some more of this soon. If I have a bad eyebrow day with it, it's because I've messed up somehow. That rose water that I usually use is just a refresher, so you can use that anytime you want, anytime your face is just feeling a little tired or dry, or you can just spray a little bit on your face and feel so much better. It's going into my Tarte's Pro Glow to Go, giving me a little bit of glow on. Okay, here's the real challenge. We're gonna try and put on some lashes, just because it's one of those days. It's one of those days where I'd like to, if I can, but you know, if I can't, fuck me, right? Now my battery is going dead. Sorry guys, I'm a piece of crap. I can't get anything right. Okay, we're just gonna leave that for right now, so I can finish this video and it doesn't die before I finish. I haven't put on mascara yet because I have to wait for the lash to dry to do that, so we're just gonna pretend I did. And we're going in with this fake dose of colors that I got off Wish for $1 because it looks pretty good. Alright guys, before my camera dies, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.